Hello, welcome to Cowboy Studio. Today we're going to look at how to assemble our MiniPS03Kit. This is a 2-light kit that comes in two versions, a 250 watt and a 500 watt, depending on which bulb you get with your system. The light stands themselves extend from a low of 1 foot 5 inches to a high of 2 foot 3 to give you even lighting across various sized objects. Okay, let's get started. When you receive your MiniPS03 kit, there should be 3 pieces for each of the 2 lights. There should be a bulb, the light stand, and the reflector. The reflector plugs into any 110 volt outlet. First, expand the legs of the light stand by loosening the knob. Straighten the legs out. This part should be flat. Tighten the knob to lock it in place. You'll want to loosen the knob here on the reflector so that it fits over the light stand. Don't want to loosen it that much. Tighten the knob so it snugly locks it in place. Screw in the bulb until it fits snugly. Then you can plug it into any AC outlet. Turn it on here in the back, and you're ready to take pictures. To disassemble the kit, simply reverse the process. We do recommend that you keep your box so that you can safely store the bulbs when they're not in use. Simply unscrew the bulb, place it back in the box, and you should be ready to go for your next use. To remove the reflector, simply loosen the knob that attaches it to the light stand. Slide it off. You might want to screw that knob in a little bit to make sure it doesn't fall out when you're not using it. The light stand, simply loosen this knob. Slide the light stand closed. And you're done.